Morning everyone, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I've got my morning espresso. Let's get into what's happening in the crypto markets. Stick around. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Yes, I've got my morning espresso. I'm gonna have a quick sip of that. It's fantastic. Massive thank you and shout out to every single one of you up here who have subscribed to the channel, guys. This community is growing so fast. I really appreciate it, and I love talking with everyone in the comments below in the community tab. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing on a daily basis, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and most importantly, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. And this is the actual gold rush time to do that. So come along on this incredible journey. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research and due diligence. Jump on all the websites like I've recommended in every single one of these videos. I do it on a daily basis just to remind people to get confident before jumping into this stuff. And me personally, I set a limit for myself. I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but I hate stressing about losing money, especially with cryptos. It can happen like that because it's very volatile. All right, don't take what I say as financial advice. Please do your own research. All right, now that the formalities are out of the way, guys, what is happening in the crypto market? I'm just going to get into some news today, and then we'll get into my coin spot, obviously to check what's going on here. But El Salvador is finally using Bitcoin as legal tender. Obviously, it got announced today. Obviously, it was late at night when we were sleeping here, but obviously it had an effect on the market. The president of El Salvador has been tweeting about it. He's bought cryptocurrency Bitcoin as well. So interesting times that we're all living through at the moment, but there's been quite a lot of backlash in this, and obviously this article on Decrypt here. So check this out. Protests in the street, critics arrested by police without charge, rebuke from international organizations, and a state of national uncertainty have set the tone over the last 90 days, ever since the president set the country down in its path here, obviously. But now that Bitcoin is officially legal tender in El Salvador, the first few hours of experiment's life have not been pleasant either, starting with the market's apparent reaction to today's launch. So there's been quite a bit of manipulation going on at the moment in the crypto market. And me personally, I don't know why, and this is just my opinion. Obviously, people are going to have different views about this. I look, on one side, I think it's fantastic that a country is accepting cryptocurrency as legal tender, like fiat. That's great, man. Like it's fantastic to see the progression in governments here, like especially with El Salvador, that they are choosing to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. However, on the other side of this, discussion and opinion here, I believe that Bitcoin should only be kept as a store of value. And it's like, you read the stories back in the news about people buying pizzas and stuff and, spending 10 Bitcoin on a pizza. That 10 Bitcoin would be ridiculously valued right now. I mean, $63,000 I just checked a minute ago, the value of Bitcoin. So why would you use Bitcoin that is virtually created as a store of value to, it's basically like gold, or just to preserve somebody's wealth? I mean, like, check this out. This is on the president of El Salvador's Twitter page here, and you can see that Starbucks over there is now accepting Bitcoin, and you can see that here, Bitcoin accepted. It blows my mind to think that somebody would use Bitcoin to pay for a latte or an espresso or whatever Starbucks coffee. I don't really like it, to be honest with you. It's too much, sugars and stuff like that. But why would you use Bitcoin to buy a coffee or, a pizza or McDonald's? I mean, like, for example, you go to McDonald's, you'd buy a hamburger, and I don't know, say it cost you, it's like $15 in Australia to buy a meal, like a medium or large meal these days. It's quite expensive, believe it or not. It's gone up in price, ridiculous. So in the future, the price of Bitcoin, people have said it, could hit, well into the $1 million mark here. And obviously Cathy Woods from Ark Invest, big technology, investor, obviously with Tesla and all that sort of stuff. She's actually said it will hit $1 million eventually. But I mean, look, you go and pay $15 in Bitcoin for a McDonald's meal. That McDonald's meal will be probably worth, I don't know, think about it, a few $100, $200 or $300 in a few years. So, like, why would you do that? I don't know, man, but it's just strange. Look, as I said, the positive side of this is that a country is now adopting cryptocurrency. It's only a matter of time before they adopt the rest of the cryptocurrencies out there. But you know, as for today, I'm not worried about this dip. I'm not worried about anything at all, because as I keep doing with all my cryptocurrencies, I dollar cost average into them every day or every week. Well, not every day, I mean, but every week. I try to add to my positions every week. I set aside an amount of money, I add into them. Each project, obviously, dollar cost averaging into them. So say it's like $100 a week. That's what I add into my cryptocurrencies over, you know, a month, for example. Like, and that's basically what I do. I'm not worried about spending, you know, $1,000 at a time, $2,000, $3,000. I don't FOMO into anything. I just slowly build up my position into these cryptocurrencies to build up my portfolio in my favorite cryptocurrencies, by the way. And in saying that, I'm not saying buying, you know, rubbish coins, like, I won't mention them, but a few of you know what I'm talking about. But I'm talking about really good blue chip cryptocurrencies. And I do this on a weekly basis. I dollar cost average into them, and I'm not concerned about price fluctuations. And when an opportunity like this comes up today, and let's get into my CoinSpot account now, because there is an opportunity here. I believe, from my perspective, you need to do your own research with this stuff and be very careful. But I see this as an opportunity, and I've done this with my stock portfolio as well. You know, for example, like my dividend stock portfolio, and I will do a video on definitely on my portfolio, because I think I'm due for an update on that. I bought the dip all throughout 2020. Basically, all the stocks that I owned were on sale. And when stuff like this happens in any investing market, you know, even with cryptos right now, I see this as an opportunity to dollar cost average into these cryptocurrencies, to add to my positions, because there's so much world adoption at the moment. It's only going to go up in value, and especially with Bitcoin, because it is obviously, there's so much in circulation at the moment, and there is a limit to that, which is 21 million Bitcoin. When that goes down, it's only going to go up in value as more financial institutions adopt cryptocurrencies. And I did mention that in my video yesterday. Anyway, so nevertheless, this is Australian dollars. And yes, I'll show you my coin market cap to see the US dollars, because I know everyone's screaming about that. So I will split that up. Bitcoin is down 10% today. $64,000, man. This is unbelievable. So Ethereum is down 12% here to $4,700. Cardano is down to $3.48. Definitely one I wanted to add more into in my portfolio is Cardano, because it's been quite up there. BNB is down 15% to $581. XRP is down 18%. Definitely will be adding more XRP into my portfolio, sitting at $1.56 AUD. Solana has been pumping for the last 48 hours. It's been the only one that's been in the green. Not sure what's happening there. Solana is obviously been up ridiculous amounts. It's sitting at $241 Australian. Doge is down to 35 cents. Polkadot $38, Uniswap $33, Chainlink $39, Bitcoin Cash $935. Let's keep going down. Internet computers are down to $85. Polygon Matic $1.88. Keep going down here. VeChain is a great project. I love VeChain. Definitely one of my biggest positions. 17 cents. So I will be adding more into obviously VeChain. Theta's down to $9.73. Keep scrolling down here, guys. I'm just going to quick have a look at my other favorite projects here. Neo is down to $69. This is a great opportunity to jump in. It's down 21%. Keep it going down. Hedera is down to 37 cents. Keep going down here. Holochain is down to 1 cent. XDC 18 cents. Look, yes, they've dropped off. I'm not worried about this. As I keep saying to everyone, I dollar cost average into this, so I'm not worried about the market going up or down. I just slowly add to my positions, guys. This is my investing strategy. You may implement something else based on your financial situation. That's entirely up to you, but this is what I do. So anyway, let's have a look at the coin market cap today. I keep having problems with this, but you know, it's just really annoying. But let's have a look at the global metrics. So the total market cap, the entire crypto market cap, is sitting at $2.8 trillion today. Trading volume, $319 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. BTC dominance is 42% of the market. Ethereum is 19.32%. Cryptocurrencies, 11,000 of them. So there's so many of them. Let's keep having a look in. I've looked at the charts here. In the last 7 days, it has gone up. In the last 30 days, it's still in the green, guys. In the last 90 days, still in the green. In the last year, it is still in the green. And of all time, it's still in the green, guys. And look at that. That is just, it just proves global adoption here of cryptocurrencies. So I don't see this as an issue. I don't see this crashing back down. I mean, look, obviously with Bitcoin dropping back down back in the day, 2017, 18, it crashed. But I mean, look at all the whales that purchased and accumulated Bitcoin back then. They've gone absolutely parabolic now in 2021, guys. So I'm not worried. And, obviously that's just my opinion, but I'm not concerned. I'll go into my portfolio now. Let's have a quick look at it. Crypto portfolio, Bitcoin sitting at 63,000 AUD. In actual fact, let's do this because I'm going to change this now to USD for those who obviously want to see this in USD. Let's just go back. All right. So here's my portfolio in USD. Let's see if it works. All right. $46,000 Bitcoin today, down 10.78%. Cardano, $2.50. XRP is down 18.63% today. In the last hour, it is up at 1.07%. Let's go in the last 24 hours. Just wait for that to load. Oh, this thing has a mind of its own, down 18%. So in the last 7 days, though, it is still down 4.54%. The last 30 days, still up to 46%, guys. So I'm not worried. Dogecoin down 17%. Stellar is down. VeChain, the entire market's down here. Theta's down. Tron, Neo, BTC. These are all my projects that are in my portfolio. HBAR, Shiba Inu, AMP is down. Theta Fuel, Holochain, XDC, Talcoin, Seacoin, Digibyte, ANKR, VThor, Winlink, Reef, XYO. I'm not going to mention that one. Ecomi, Electronium, Acropolis, and the rest of them there. All right, so definitely the ones I'm going to be adding to my portfolio today is XRP, Cardano. Definitely want to add more of that. That's going to be a great project in the future. XLM, VeChain. Definitely bullish on that one, man. That's going to be crazy. I'll keep adding to Neo because I love the project. It's like the Chinese Ethereum, and it does provide passive income, which is something I'm very bullish on. Hedera, definitely going to be adding that, and XinFin XDC. Those are the projects that I'm going to be adding into my portfolio whilst these cryptos are on sale, and I'll just dollar cost average into them. All right, so that's my investing philosophy there. Let me know in the comments below what you think, obviously your opinion on El Salvador using Bitcoin. As I've mentioned before, I don't think Bitcoin is a great way to pay for a coffee at Starbucks. I think it's literally to store value, preserve wealth. That's what it's meant for. And I wouldn't go and buy a coffee at Starbucks with Bitcoin, because that Bitcoin will probably be worth quadruple in the future, and you'd be kicking yourself buying a $3.50 latte or an espresso or something like that, and it'll end up costing you $200 or $300 in the future. So why would you do that? Let's talk about it. All right, stay safe, guys. Happy investing. Let's talk about it in the comments. All right, peace. Bye.